Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make green chutney powder. To begin, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of fresh cilantro, half a cup of mint leaves, and 2 to 3 green chilies, depending on your spice preference. Also, have on hand a 1/4 cup of roasted chana dal, 2 tablespoons of peanuts, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, salt to taste, and a pinch of sugar. Next, we'll prepare the dry ingredients. In a dry pan, lightly roast the chana dal and peanuts over low heat for about 3 to 4 minutes until they become fragrant and slightly golden. Remove them from the pan. Then, in the same pan, dry roast the cumin seeds for about 30 seconds until they release their distinct aroma. It's crucial to let all these roasted ingredients cool completely before moving to the next step. Now it's time to bring everything together. Once all your roasted ingredients are cool, combine them with the fresh cilantro, mint, green chilies, salt, and sugar in a dry grinder or food processor. Pulse the mixture in short bursts. Avoid overgrinding. You want a coarse, uniform powder, not a paste. This ensures the perfect texture for your chutney. Transfer the finished powder to an airtight container. Your homemade green chutney powder is now ready to enjoy. To serve, simply mix a tablespoon or 2 with a little water or yogurt to create a fresh, flavorful dip. It's fantastic with idli, dosa, sandwiches, or even as a seasoning for various dishes. Store the powder in a cool, dry place, and it will stay fresh for several weeks. For other great deals and to make meal prep easy, check the link in the description for leak-proof containers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.